Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the three-way solenoid, the one that you see right here. This one unfortunately needed to be replaced. You can see some burn connections and a couple other things. And it was buzzing as well, and it definitely needed to be replaced, the whole assembly. So now the new assembly is right there, and we're gonna test it out, starting with the hot water to warm up our cup. And then we're gonna do a shot of espresso and then use the steamer. Perfect. Now let's do our shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind size for this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Unfortunately I did not tamper pretty hard. As you can see, it was a very fast flow, and I probably did not use the right grind settings. That's why it's very fast, and we did not get a lot of crema, and we got a lot of liquid as well. So unfortunately I did not prepare it properly. We were still be able to see that the espresso range goes all the way up to here, and that's because I did not prepare the shot properly as well. But no buzzing noise, no leaks. Give me a second to remove the portafilter. It's a little hard with a hand. Yeah, I did. I needed to put more coffee in there. It's very liquid. It wasn't a good shot. And as you can see from the machine, good water flow coming out of the groove head. Okay, perfectly fine. And now for the steamer. No leaks over here or anything like that. Still no leaks. And as you can see, we have really good pressure. And there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.